Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Jacob, your instructor. Join our club and drive safely and without any fines. Today we will practice in a task of the intersections crossing priority. That's not an easy task and only a few of our viewers can do it correctly. So, here's the question. Kara and B have arrived at this intersection at about the same time. Kara wants to turn left and Car B wants to go straight. Who has the right of way? Choose options. Number 1, Kara because it is turning left. Number 2, Car B because it is going straight. Number 3, Car B because it is on the right. Number 4, Kara because it is on the left. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video you will find out. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make your choice because we're moving on to a breakdown of this task. So, here are two cars in the picture coming near to an intersection. Kara wants to turn left and Car B wants to go straight. Who has the right of way? When two vehicles arrive at the four-way stop at about the same time, the vehicle on the left must yield to the vehicle on the right. Here, can rise to the right of Kara. So Car B has the right of way. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congrats if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel, so that the police never stop you and issue a fine.